Shop smarter with BrainyBuyer.com and support smarter by subscribing. Your click means more unbiased tests, clearer charts, and fewer decision headaches. So I'm looking at these two grills, the Nexgrill Fortress and the Weber Summit S-460. Big price difference, huh?
Huge! The Nexgrill is around $180 and the Weber is over $2,300. What are we even comparing here?
Well, both are propane grills, right? Let's dive in. The Nexgrill is portable, a tabletop thing with two burners putting out 13,500 BTUs. It also has a griddle.
Okay, portable and griddle ready. The Weber, on the other hand, is a built-in behemoth. It boasts 4 stainless steel burners cranking out 48,800 BTUs. Plus, a sear burner, a smoker burner. It's a whole outdoor kitchen.
Yeah. The Nexgrill's cooking area is only 263 square inches. The Weber? A whopping 580 square inches.
Makes sense, given the size difference. The Weber even has a rotisserie. That's fancy.
True. The Nexgrill focuses on being easy to clean, with a removable grease tray. It's made of cast aluminum.
The Weber's all stainless steel, which is durable, and it's got some nice features like lighted control knobs.
So portability versus a full outdoor cooking experience. One's for camping, the other's for serious grilling at home. But what about the customer reviews?
The Nexgrill has a 4.4-star rating with over 200 reviews. People seem to like its size, ease of assembly, and how well it works for camping. Some mention uneven heat distribution, though.
And the Weber?
Lower rating, 4.1 stars, but way fewer reviews. Only 28. It's been discontinued, so people are probably reviewing older models.
Right, that makes sense. So if you're looking for something small and portable, like for tailgating or picnics, the Nexgrill is a solid choice.
But if you want a high-end built-in grill with all the bells and whistles and you have the budget, the Weber Summit is the way to go. It is much more of an investment.
Exactly. Different leagues entirely. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.